Hey guys, Shelby Smith with Jiminy Crickets coming at you from the Cricket Castle, here to talk to you today about different container options as you look at growing your own crickets. So you have all sorts of options. We use quite a few different ones here in the Cricket Castle, but the ones I'm going to show you are the ones that would be available if you are here in the US at somewhere like your local Walmart. Hopefully for those of you who don't have Walmarts or something similar, it can give you a good idea of things to look for in a container that might work as you raise your crickets. Now I do want to note that majority of this is going to be for people for personal use, so don't think of it kind of like a scaled commercial sort of use kind of thing. This is going to focus on smaller scale for personal use, whether it be for your pets or if you want to take a crack at growing your own crickets for your own consumption. That's kind of what we're going to be looking at in terms of container options, what you should look for, what isn't going to work. Another little specification, I will be doing an additional video after this one, obviously, that talks about carrying capacity of different containers. So that is one question that comes up often is, how many crickets can I put in this container? First, we're going to deal with, hey, here's containers that work well, here's ones that don't work well. We will get to how many crickets can I put in a container. That'll be another video. For this one, just taking you to Walmart on a little field trip to see what'll work and what won't, and what the options are out there.
Our friendly neighborhood Walmart. Make sure you head to the storage and laundry section where you will find so many potential options. First up is one that's not a great option. It's too short. It's only 4.5 inches tall. If you are going to be raising crickets, Acadia domesticus, you're going to want at least 6 inches. So this second one, great option. 13 7/8 inches, almost 14 inches. Gives you plenty of headspace so that if the crickets are going to be jumpy, they can't jump out. So this one is a good option. The previous ones are not. These guys are also good options. You could put a lot of crickets in these. Again, almost 14 inches. These are another good one, 32 gallons. These would be pretty big as well. So you'd have, 5,000-6,000 crickets in there. These guys, also good. These are 45 gallons. This is also on the big side. With it not being clear, it'd be less stressful for the crickets. These are the ones very similar to what we use in our barn. These are 50-gallon totes. Good options. The Hyper Toughs with the snap-on lids, 14 gallons. Definitely passed the height test of being over 6 inches tall. 18 gallons as well. Also a good option. These guys caught my eye as I was walking out. Would be a very interesting option for multi-generations. You could have a generation in each layer and even use one as an incubation. Something to think about for a small in-home. I might test one of these. These guys would be all right for incubation, but little else because they're so short. But they would work fine for an incubation sort of a thing. In fact, this is what I started off as using as my incubators for something short like this.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you need more info, please visit jiminycrickets.com. If you are interested in purchasing some of our products or learning more about what we do, head over there. I really do appreciate you guys watching this, and please do like, comment, share, drop those comments below for anything that you need clarified or if something you want expanded on. Happy to do another video.